Hi everyone, this is Yann from Special Options in Paris. Okay, today we're going to show you a brand new old video. What I mean is we have put on Facebook a few months ago a short video of shooting sessions where in this shooting session where I make a very intensive test of our SWAT shield, and many people tell me that there's no introduction and nothing, there's only the shooting part, the shooting test, and they said it's very short. So today we're going to try to make a YouTube video with an introduction and a conclusion and the shooting test in the middle. And I think it will give you more explanation about this test and what in Special Option we try to do when we make what we call a rock test. It means that you have NIJ certification, okay, and in general in NIJ you have 15 meters, you shot 1, 2, 3, 6 shots, and that's all. You will see we shoot a lot on this shield because we want always to focus on a real situation, okay, on a real firefight. And in that moment you may have a lot of leads in the air, like an old trainer told me, and at that moment a very big amount of ammo could be shot, and your product needs to resist not only to 1, 2, 3, 6 impact, but more and more. And that's the point we are very really focused on at Special Options. To introduce shortly Special Options, it's a French company. We are specialized in design and conception of ballistic product. We try to keep in mind user-friendly product because everyone is coming from law enforcement community, special force, military force, and so on. And because of that, we really want to propose something with field tested, and with always in mind that the product have to be easy to use. In that way the operator could stay focused on his mission, on the tactical situation, and he don't have to think about how to use properly his item, his shield or anything else. So he can stay focused on his mission. That's very important for us. So we work a lot we make a lot of tests, not only on ballistic resistance but also on the possibility to move and to make something with our vest, with our helmet, with our small shield, with our big shield, and things like that. Okay, we run this test to go far from the NIJ spec. So we use two type of rifle. At first, you will have a shot with AK-47. So we are using a complete magazine, so 30 rounds of 7.62 Russian ammunition, okay, and after we shot 30 rounds, we also shot so the shield, the structure of the shield have a lot of impact on it, and even with that we continue with 7 shots of bullets, caliber 12 bullets, shooting with shotgun. Something like that for people who are not aware about weapons. Shotgun is that type of rifle. So two very powerful ammunitions because the 7.62 Russian is really he's very efficient, and the caliber 12 is well known as a very destructive projectile. So anyway, it will be interesting to see what a shield could support, how is it possible for the structures to stop all this amount of ammunitions, of shots, and to keep and able to keep the operator protected. That's very important, okay, because you never decide what will be the gunfight, okay. You're entering on the gunfight and you don't know when it's finished and how it's finished. That's very important. Okay, so right now we see the shooting sessions, and just after we make we take a look more close to the shield behind me.
Un tir.
Ah ouais, bien, bien. Oh, putain, il est défoncé. Okay, back to the office. You see the shooting session, so 30 rounds of AK-47 and 7 impact of 12 gauge. So he hit very hard. Okay, this is the shield. So you can see everywhere on the surface the impact. Here you can see specifically the 12 here, the 12 gauge here, because we see the back of the bullet here, and you see that the impact of the AK-47 here are very smaller. Okay, you can see the difference here and here. That's very important and very interesting to see, and because here it's a very flat bullet, and here you've got a real very aggressive profile of the bullet, so the penetration is deeper on the 7.62, and also the velocity of the bullet is also very different, very high, and regarding the 12 gauge. Okay, so that's the point. And here up we can see here the impact of the 12 gauge on the ballistic window. Okay, you see here directly. So here the structure is really impacted. The same here on the here it's the 7.62, and what is interesting is that here, even if you see the distance was very short, because we shot at something like 4 meters only. So okay, the structure is exploding everywhere, but as you can see, there's no penetration on the windows, and no penetration here on the rest of the shield. So we dismount the shield here. We dismount the shield to be sure that there's no penetration here. And as you can see, this NIJ III level 3 shields work very well, because all the impact, even at 4 meters, even if it was a 30 round, it works, it stops everything. Okay, that's what we are trying to find. Of course, it's very important that the ballistic product resists, but if it resists to 1, 2, 3 impact, okay, it could. But in modern gunfight, you see a very important, an increase of the number of shots fired against the law enforcement agent or the military agent operator, and so the protection right now must resist to a very high volume of fire. Okay, that's very important. And when we are talking about multi-hit, it will be really a multi-hit capability. Okay, expecting you enjoy this video. Okay, so don't forget, thumb up. It's always nice. And you can visit us on the special-options.com. Okay, sorry for the moment the site is only in French, but you can, I tried to put it somewhere on the screen. You can contact us at contact at special-options.com, and we can discuss by email if you need, and we can send you technical data in English. We have it, don't worry, and on all our products, and in that way we can give you the direct information on the capability to send you the product if needed. So don't hesitate to contact us by mail, for example, and we can give you all the info you need. Okay, so see you soon for other video and from the presentation of our product, and also extreme ballistic testing of our product, and it will be soon. Thanks, and see you soon.